Hello. Today, let's uncover the secret behind every successful business: smart operations management. Whether it's your favorite biryani spot in Chennai or a giant like Royal Enfield, their success depends on three main things: forecasting, capacity planning, and facility design. Forecasting predicts what customers will want. Capacity planning makes sure you have the right stuff to meet that need. Facility design sets up your workspace to work as well as possible. These things are connected. A good guess about the future helps you plan what you need, which then helps you set up your space. Imagine selling Kanchipuram saris online. Guessing how many people will want them for Diwali, getting enough fabric ready, and organizing your workshop are all part of this process. Learning these basic ideas can turn a small idea into a successful business. We'll explain these ideas with easy-to-understand Indian examples. Whether you're a student or someone just starting a business, these skills are for you. Operations management isn't just for big companies. It's for anyone who wants to build something that lasts. Let's jump in. What is demand forecasting? It's using information to guess how much of your product or service customers will want. For Amul, it's guessing next month's milk and ice cream sales. For a bakery, it's deciding how many cakes to bake each day. Forecasting makes things less uncertain. It helps businesses avoid making too much or running out of things to sell. Without it, you might waste money or miss out on sales. Short-term guesses help manage what you have, and your staff long-term guesses help with big choices like growing your business. The steps are: decide what you need to guess, collect information. Pick a way to guess, make your guess, and check if it's right. For example, a publisher in Delhi guesses how many textbooks will be needed before printing them. Forecasting is like a circle. Each guess helps you make a better one next time. It's not magic, but a useful tool for smart planning. Every business, big or small, uses it. Get forecasting right, and you're already ahead. Let's see how this connects to planning what you can do. With a guess about what people will want, the next step is capacity planning. Can you meet the demand? Capacity is the most your business can make or do with what it has right now. For Indigo, it's how many seats they can sell each month. For a hospital, it's how many patients they can see each day. Planning for capacity far into the future involves big, important choices, like Tata Motors building a new factory for electric cars. If you get it wrong, you might waste money or miss chances to make money. There's design capacity, the perfect maximum; effective capacity, the realistic maximum; and actual output, what you actually make. The goal? Keep what you actually make close to what you can realistically make. Ways to do this include adding capacity early, leading demand, waiting to see if demand is real, lagging demand, or adding a little at a time, tracking. The right choice depends on how much risk you're willing to take and what the market is like. Smart capacity planning keeps your business flexible and able to compete. It's about finding the right balance between what you have and what people want. Never too much, never too little. Now let's see how all these plans work together. Forecasting and capacity planning work best when they are connected. Sales and operations planning, S&OP, brings together sales, marketing, making things, and money into one plan. Material requirements planning, MRP, makes sure you have the right parts at the right time. Think of building a bicycle, knowing exactly when to order wheels and frames. Manufacturing resource planning, MRP II, adds machine time and money to the mix, giving a full picture of how things are working. The best system is enterprise resource planning, ERP, which connects everything from people management to getting supplies in real time. Companies like Reliance use ERP to manage huge, complicated operations well. Connected planning means fewer surprises and better choices. It's the backbone of modern business. Next, let's choose the best place to set up shop. Where you put your business changes everything. A great spot cuts down costs and brings in customers. A bad one can hold you back. The process starts big. Choose a general area, then narrow it down to a city, then a specific place. Think about things like transportation, workers, local services, and costs. Use tools like the factor rating method. List what's important, give each location a score, and pick the best. Or try the center of gravity method to find the perfect spot for a place to store and send out goods, making sure transport costs are as low as possible. For example, a dairy in Punjab can use this to pick the best place for a central cold storage. Smart location choices set the stage for success. It's about being close to your customers and what you need. Once you've picked your spot, it's time to design your building. Facility layout is arranging everything inside your business so things flow smoothly. A good layout makes things work better and makes people happier. A bad one causes delays and frustration. Choose a process layout for variety, like hospitals, a product layout for making lots of the same thing, like car assembly, or a fixed position layout for big projects, like building a ship. Cellular layouts mix flexibility and efficiency, perfect for modern manufacturing. Use flowcharts and computer design software to see and make your space better. The goal: waste less movement and get more done. Every small detail matters, from where machines are placed to where things are stored. A well-designed layout helps your business reach its goals. Connect forecasting, capacity, location, and layout for a winning operation. Master these, and you're ready to build something great.